Good day! In celebration of the National Hospital Week, the Medical City South Luzon is grateful to let you know that we align our services with the Department of Health, and we make sure that we collaborate patient care, not only with the patient but together with their families, as the Medical City South Luzon imbibes that our patients are our partners. The Medical City South Luzon strengthens its healthcare promise as the safest healthcare provider in the South through several key strategies and initiatives. Quality standards. The hospital ensures compliance with quality management systems and patient safety protocols. Advanced medical technology. We invest in state-of-the-art medical equipment and technology, ensuring that diagnostic, therapeutic, and surgical procedures are performed with precision and safety. Highly skilled medical professionals. The hospital employs highly trained and experienced medical professionals. Patient-centered care. We emphasize a patient-centered approach, ensuring that care is tailored to the individual needs of our patients. Infection control measures. We implement strict infection control protocols. Emergency preparedness. The hospital has robust emergency preparedness and response plans in place, enabling it to effectively manage unexpected situations. Safety culture. We foster a culture of safety within the organization where all staff members are encouraged to prioritize patient safety in their daily work. Community engagement and health education. The Medical City South Luzon actively engages with the local community through health education programs, outreach initiatives, and partnership. These combined efforts allow the Medical City South Luzon to maintain its reputation as one of the safest healthcare providers in the region, continuously working to improve and uphold high standards of patient care and safety.